I'm gonna start cleaning the board. Oh, what I just found here, the exploded capacitor, resistance. Yeah, so this was somewhere there. Maybe upside down, maybe right to left, left to right. Yeah, probably the golden part go with the shiny part, the exploded with the burn. Should be logic, no? Oh, we got some trays that float here. Copper moved there too. I'm just gonna drop it here. What about the top one? Going down. Or down going up. It's a big trace compared to the other. So from the bottom, it seems to have voltage more. So some alcohol, Q-tips, very gentle, because I don't want to scrape the copper from it. Just want to remove the explosion, dirt, flux, I don't know. Black burn part. Clean the thing out. Let's fast forward. It goes super slow. It's kind of nicer. I'm gonna scratch a bit more. Oh, you see it's moving. It's moving, but it's completely attached to the leg, so it's good. So cleaning here, there. Fast forward. Those are going through. No, they're just that. It's not via. Maybe they're via. Some other, the right, it's evident it's via, like those. But yeah, that's burned. Something's there, there. It's beautiful. I see the crack on the left, bottom of the legs too. Scratching, cleaning, make it beautiful. What else? Some zoom. Maybe it's something big like that should be on top. Yeah, maybe replace like one like that. This one here, it's not, you don't have the right color because now it's burned. It's kind of the same size. See how it's all cracked. So there's no short. I'm checking for continuity. Short to ground. I'm not sure if I put some solder on the leg there. Maybe it's me. Maybe no. No short, no short. Sure, push hard. No short. Now this leg, I'm gonna get it. The middle one. Oh. This one. No short. There is an empty space here for a part, capacitor or something. That's a soldered point to weld something on there. On the other side too, there's a point, but it's a no part. There's nothing there, going there, not for that model. Yeah, the copper seems very strong now. I cannot lift it. It moved before, but now it's good. It seems good. We're gonna use that. strong. You cannot go under. I don't know how it's moved before, but it's pretty good. For the damage to the TV, we can see the explosion, and the track should go to the top, to the bottom. There's missing a capacitor too to the soldered point, the middle where the explosion were. There's the left coil, maybe not working anymore. There's the top GW chip, is the bottom left leg that not soldered, maybe it exploded, not working too. The TV is connected. I'm checking for voltage, DC. I have 12 volt here on the chip, nothing. And the solder points, I have nothing. It's probably the ground with the capacitor that exploded. So it's like a fuse. I'm gonna check the continuity, find a ground or something shorted. TV's unplugged. So here, it's a ground. That's not shorted, it was a 12, and the chip was not shorted. So I begin to put some solder on the copper to clean it and to be ready to put a wire or something to redo the trace. But at some point, the solder kind of stuck together, so my line was already done. I didn't have to put a wire. So now it's the time, we're gonna have some rain. Now I'm gonna plug it and we're gonna see something blew up. Nothing blew up, but I have a red LED right here. Oh, the red LED is not there anymore. Oh, I had a red LED for a few seconds. Nothing with the power. Oh, I had the red LED for a few seconds. Damn. Okay. Nothing smell, nothing burn. Rain. So I'm gonna plug it. We're gonna check the red LED. The red LED turn on. Oh, I have a backlight. The TV's on. So you can see here I have the red LED, red lights. I press the power button, the LED turn off. I have a TV working here. Blam! So it seems to be all good. I need a remote, I think. Not touch screen yet. TV's working. Yay!